Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating RFC. Yes, RFC. Take a bite. I'm being nice, bright and early. Don't get used to it now.
Get a piece of yours, God. I know they're getting a piece of my chicken.
So this is my husband's RFC. I have mashed potatoes, canned chop, and he has white rice. As you can see, my husband didn't prepare any vegetable. When you have an RFC, you're supposed to have some vegetable. You must eat your greens.
When you have an RFC, you're supposed to just get a crunch. That's it. Nothing else.
So the sauce, it's for me. I love mashed potatoes with fried chicken.
Family? I'm hungry, family.
That sauce is good.
Today, first lady working and first asked me what I'm making. I said, first lady, don't worry. Got to be a surprise. It's been a while since the RFC haven't come in town, you know?
I thought it was
I was taking a break.
fish.
I was taking a break, see? She thought it was that. So I said, you know what? Oh yeah, I got grace, you know? But
Sauce is really good, honey.
so it's nice, right? I bottled some up. I'm gonna send some to somebody and they taste it and see if I'm lying about it.
If you're lying, you flying.
Who wanna be that lucky person for that sauce?
Bottle up and send it?
I'll make that taste it. Who wanna be that lucky person? Comment down.
So listen, family, we do want to go ahead and show our support and everyone who is in New Orleans.
Everywhere the hurricane hit, because we went to different places.
That's correct. Everywhere the hurricane hit, thank you, my love. We know it's rough.
Yes.
Us as Floridian, we go through it every year as well.
Yes.
But for some reason, I don't know why the storms them love messing with New Orleans,
For real,
man.
always going there.
It's because they know you guys are tough. You guys are gonna get through it just like how you get through everything else.
True.
You guys are strong. That's one thing about New Orleans people. Keep your head up, guys. And listen, it won't stay like this forever.
It won't.
You guys will get through it just like you have done many times before.
Yes. Good,
It's
well
rough.
said. Well said.
Thank you, my love. It's rough out there.
Well said. You getting a piece of your chicken already? Okay, I'm gonna get a piece of mine.
Them get enough.
Look here. Take piece of mine, you know. It's the RFC for me. You know I gotta come through with the RFC. Okay, listen now. Hold on, let's hear it. Shh. This is what everybody been waiting for. Shh. Let's see if it's real.
What's that people to be quiet for?
Shh. Family, listen. You hearing it better?
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. Family. Wow. Oh man. Lucky guy, man. I know I'm gonna catch her.
I can't stand you.
Family. This sauce is beautiful, I'm telling you. Family.
So good.
While making the chicken today,
So good. I know to me I was hounding you.
why don't I say,
Taste.
I call her name, first thing she said, you ready to give my taste?
Yes. Listen, don't knock it till you try it.
How you doing? Wow.
I know a lot of family members said they didn't see the video. We're not sure why it didn't get to the to the front or the top, but I'll figure it out. And when I do, we will get it up there for you guys.
Y'all gonna like it.
Damn. This is good.
Chicken butter not true.
Bad.
Yeah. No, I can fry chicken, so you know.
You didn't know that you could fry chicken like this?
Probably no cap. I never know gonna fry chicken like that. With chicken, that sauce, right? That sauce is hitting. I'm not lying, B.
I can't fry chicken like this. I try, I always fail.
You fry good chicken.
Not like this. It's really good.
Good.
And I'm glad I have mashed potatoes.
Damn.
It's the best thing since sliced bread.
Just nice. This RFC ain't no joke. No lie. And then my lucky sauce, that make it worse. Yeah, lucky sauce will make it.
So wait, you go from mix up sauce to lucky sauce? What?
That's the hit. I can't tell nobody that one.
Yeah.
That one is the hitter.
So question. How many pieces of chicken you yum while you was cooking?
I'm gonna be honest. No, it only tastes like little pieces of it's crispy.
Oh,
I ain't taste none.
I'm surprised.
Because I caught the chicken thing. So I knew it was gonna be a lot. Probably, I couldn't take them because I counted the thing. But I knew it was gonna be short. So,
Interesting.
because I bought a small chicken, I buy a big chicken. This chicken was, I think, $5.34.
Okay.
That's
how.
The small chicken.
That's how I measure my chicken
By the price?
by the price. If it's like $8, $7, no, it's not a chicken. They're too big.
They have some big ones.
Yeah, Purdue chicken. When Walmart used to sell Purdue chicken, I don't know why they stopped, but if Walmart or whoever, somebody from Walmart is watching, get Purdue back. Okay, y'all tripping. Purdue chicken used to be like $3.50. So small. I love those chickens. I don't like no big chicken that look like dinosaur.
And they have some big ones in there too.
I don't like that.
Man, no. I'm not getting the big one. Family, only if you know this chicken tastes good. I'm gonna serve you the legs.
Wait a minute. I miss a piece of meat. Can't I miss meat enough? I love meat.
You doesn't meat them? I like meat like.
Big juicy meat.
Yeah, I love meat.
The hot sauce with the honey is go. Yes.
Wow, this is like the back of it. You know what I mean?
That's where all the flavor too.
Yeah. Yeah, when it tear it apart, man, here.
I have something for you towards the end of this video. Okay?
You gonna let him take? You gonna let him? You know? Let him do it, not me.
I gotta tell you guys a little story.
Later on, just keep watching.
It's not a it's not a big giant story, but it's a good one.
Let's keep watching. Cause I know you like the story.
It's so juicy inside though.
You gotta know how to do it.
Did you have it soaked?
And I got it, I seasoned. I cook.
Wow.
And what cook it, I mean different.
I'm so glad I had mashed potatoes instead of rice. You know, I should have put more gravy on my mashed potato. I had to show off myself.
Get more gravy. Want some of the gravy top?
There's some more gravy.
There is more gravy.
Where?
It's the same thing I made. I was just throwing on top of the thing. In the pot.
Oh, there's no onions and stuff in it. It's just in the bottle?
I ain't put in the bottle. You want
Oh, I want to, yeah. That's really what I want, honestly.
onion?
Yeah. Thank you. That's really what I want.
Onion, nice and crunchy, right?
Uh-huh. Thank you.
What? Oh my gosh. Come on. With the salt? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. With some of the grace and the ketchup? Okay.
You love feed them.
I know, because they just asked me again. So here, take the next piece.
I heard them. I just ignored them.
They want a piece again.
I be doing y'all so bad. I be doing y'all so bad.
They like hearing the crunch.
Yeah. You guys know I don't mean it, right?
They want to try it for themselves.
Yo. To me, I was eating this. Vincent hasn't eaten his dinner yet. He's weary.
Yeah.
He's a night owl. 9 o'clock at night, 10, 11,
2
12
o'clock
o'clock
in the
at
day,
night.
morning when people trying to sleep.
He in the kitchen browsing for food. So, to me, it was like, this food is good. She must have said the food was good about 5 times.
When I get that first time chicken, she didn't want to leave.
So what you season it with? The same old, or you just ever?
Same thing. They know.
You know?
That's some new people and I want to get a recipe in.
Oh yeah. I get it.
You know? Which is their first time seeing the RFC over here, you know? My other family members, they know. Huh? Tell them the RFC is really good. So,
Yeah, man. I was telling the family members, I'm not going to be making oxtail for a while. Oxtail getting dearer and dearer. Now it's $12 a pound.
yeah, I told you. When I was telling us that we need to go look for a cow, you didn't believe me. And then the family member wasn't helping when I told them I need to find a cow. But it's alright. They thought I was joking.
Yeah.
Wow.
You hear the crunch?
It's a crunch. It's just a crunch I want. Yo, if I make the chicken, it's not crunchy, I don't want it. No. Have to be a crunch for a week.
Have to be a crunch for a week.
No. I don't know what the hell I put in the sauce in there. We're taking it though. It's busting.
Let me tell you something. When Richie first started frying chicken, it was whack.
I never fried chicken for you too damn long. I used to fry chicken too. She used to fry chicken. I never used to fry chicken.
Excuse me.
Because I like chicken, you have to know how to cook. You can't just throw chicken in a pot like that and just turn on the fire high and cook it. No, it's not going to work like that. Yeah, I know. I had to perfect it first. No,
You did.
Just perfect it, yeah. This is a thigh. You know I don't really mess with the thigh, but I don't want to eat it.
Let me have a piece of the back, please.
Take the boy, whatever you want.
This right here. You see this piece right here? Piece of the back? With the neck. Fried chicken. You char it up.
It's been a while.
I'll tell you something. This piece right here trick you. It make you think that this is a big piece of meat. And it's bone.
It's bone right here. It's not a big meat, no?
No.
It's a bone here, right there. Back of it.
Let me tell you something. You see this right here?
No.
By itself. Get a beer, like a Corona or a Heineken, and you just sit and just chew on the bone while you're drinking a beer. It's the best thing ever.
No. I was gonna have a conversation with the family now. We didn't say we done them already. Sometimes we gotta eat and just have a little conversation. Yeah, we wanna do that. Right?
Yeah.
Even though we talk a lot already, but We're gonna do that.
People tell us be quiet and just eat.
Okay.
Wrong channel. For those people, we don't care. We do what we want to do over here.
But the family members love when we talk. It's only the new people that don't know.
Listen, guys, let me tell you something. So, I've been taking sea moss.
Yeah, Lord.
And I started taking sea moss because, you know, it's good for your health. It really is. Good for inflammation.
Wait, do it? Is it clean? It's clean inside?
It detoxify you. It's really good for you. So it helps get rid of mucus. And I suffer from allergies, so I do have mucus buildup. And I'm trying to get rid of it. And they say all diseases start with mucus. Okay? So I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay, anyway. That being said, I really love to watch Dr. Sebi or Sebi. I do love to watch him and how he talks about water fasting and all the natural things, alkaline diet. And I watch this channel. It's called A Healthy Alternative. I used to watch him and I still watch him, but not as much because I'm very busy. But I'm going to tell you, he's the one who got me to water fast, and I water fast for 7 days. All I drank was water, and it was the best water fast of my life. And I keep on talking about doing it again, and I really will very soon. So anyway, I have my sea moss that I got from my local store, and then it actually comes already. It doesn't come blended up. I had to blend it up myself. This is how it looks. That's sea moss.
Me not eat that blood, not.
So when you take it, right? So I have a big container of it, and you have to wash it, okay? You have to wash it, and you let it soak overnight in some spring water, and then you rinse it again, and then you blend it up in some spring water, right? You don't want to use purified water, nothing like that. So when you take it out, when you blend it, this is how it looks. It looks like, you see? It looks like it's like applesauce. This is not applesauce, my people. So, I take 2 tablespoons of this a day, just like this. Get a nice amount. I take 2 tablespoons of this a day. Now, it's mind over matter. It doesn't taste like anything. It just tastes like it has a saltiness to it.
Tastes like the sea.
It tastes like the sea. Good analogy.
And it smells like it too.
And it smells like it. So, I said to Richie, honey, try this. And you guys know Richie greedy. So Richie just went, and he was like, what? No, stop. What you say?
Well, I thought it was applesauce at first time.
You know, it was applesauce. Greedy.
She said, try it. So I said, all right, let's see what I did. When I put it in, it felt grainy in my mouth. I said, hell no.
He said, hell no. I laughed so hard. People, I almost pissed up myself. I laughed. I couldn't stop laughing because the way how Richie greedy, I thought he was going to just swallow the whole spoon.
You get a catch. I didn't do it.
He was like, no. So the way how I eat it is because it's mind over matter, like I said. I can't smell it while I'm swallowing it, or I just won't swallow it. So what I do is I hold my nose and I just swallow it.
You alone can't swallow that blow. Me nah swallow that family. It smells like the sea, and it's so grainy. I said,
yeah.
I had to have my mouth here. I wash my mouth. Nah, I'm not. That's one thing I'm not gonna eat. You can't catch me.
So I take 2 tablespoons a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night.
I'm not the only one that did. All the kids.
I walked around to Vincent. I walked around to Tamia, and Tamia was like, they both was like, oh, what the hell? They spit it out. But it's because of the smell. It smells like the ocean. So, but if you hold your nose and swallow it, you guys, let me tell you something. If you ever want to taste something and the smell alone, you just can't even get to put the spoon or whatever it is to your mouth, just hold your nose. Once you're not smelling it, you can eat it.
Do y'all try that thing before? She talking about the sea moss?
It's very good for you.
If y'all did, comment down because no bueno for me. I'm not doing
bueno.
It. All right. You almost catch me.
I almost catch you.
Yeah.
I wish I had videotaped it. It was funny as I don't know what.
Almost. But I got a good one for y'all today.
Okay.
Got a good one for y'all, good peoples, you know. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us, you know. If you're new, Welcome to our channel where we just talk about anything. We just have a conversation with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Positive vibe over here, you know? That's what we do over here. So I got something for y'all today. First, listen.
Okay.
All right, family. If you feel like you're losing everything, remember that the trees lose their leaf every year and still stand tall and wait for better days to come. Alright, that one there?
Yeah, man.
Family, I'm gonna give it to you again. I'm drinking something because I see myself every month, I think. Let's see my smile, you. Family, you see how she be rolling her eyes at me? Alright. Listen now, family.
Aries people.
Okay. If you feel like you're losing everything, remember that the trees lose their leaves every year and still stand tall for better days to come. We appreciate y'all. I'm Richie, aka Shanice, aka First Lady. There you are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Whoa.